So, why do so many huge tech investments just fail to deliver? Let's get right into it.
It's a familiar story, right? Companies spend billions, but productivity doesn't budge. What's going on?
Here's the thing, tech isn't a magic fix, it just amplifies what you already have. So, if tech isn't the foundation, what is? It's what we call your human operating system. First up, culture. And no, not ping pong tables. It's about how your team actually gets work done. Just look at Netflix. Their whole people over process mantra let them move ridiculously fast. And check out this stat. A bad culture is over 10 times more likely to make someone quit than their salary. And it's not just about keeping people. Engaged teams are way more profitable and productive. That's real money. Okay, on to pillar 2, training. This is all about closing what's called the fluency gap. It's this digital paradox. The fancier the tool, the harder it is to actually use it well. Amazon gets this. Their Upskilling 2025 program is a massive investment in their own people's skills. And wow, look at that return. Good training leads to a huge jump in income per employee. And our final pillar, leadership. This is the one that directs all that energy and potential. Microsoft is the perfect case study. They shifted from a know-it-all to a learn-it-all culture. See, the technology was already in place. The big change was the mindset, all driven by new leadership. And the result? A $3 trillion jump in value. That's the power of changing a mindset. So how does this all fit together? Well, we can actually put it into a simple formula. Here it is. Value equals tech multiplied by the sum of your human elements. It's a multiplier. Think about it. If any of your human elements are 0, your tech investments is basically worthless. So the big takeaway is this. Tech is just a tool. It's the people who make it work. So you've got to ask yourself, is your human system the thing that's really holding your tech back?